Welcome to Review Rumble. The best Uni-brow pencil is probably one of the most revolutionary tools in your makeup bag, promising to effortlessly define and perfect your brows, regardless of your natural hair color or skin tone, delivering a universally flattering shade that adapts to everyone, making it an absolute game changer for achieving that coveted polished look with minimal effort and maximum impact. Number 5. 2-Pack Dark Brown Eyebrow Pencil Kit. Achieve perfectly sculpted brows effortlessly. This kit provides everything you need for stunning results every time. Featuring a pencil for precise filling and shaping, and a brush for blending. It simplifies your routine, giving you professional-looking brows with ease. Don't worry about smudges or fading. Its waterproof formula ensures your beautiful brows stay put from morning till night, no matter the weather. This professional enhancing kit comes in a rich dark brown number 1 shade, perfect for adding depth and definition. It's designed to complement your natural beauty. Get 2 pencils in one convenient pack, ensuring you always have your favorite brow tool on hand. It's a smart choice for continuous, flawless brow makeup. What we like? This option offers incredible value with its convenient 2-pack. It's perfect if you're looking for a budget-friendly solution that still delivers on performance. If you want a reliable, waterproof brow pencil for everyday use without breaking the bank, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. Number 4. IT Cosmetics Brow Power Eyebrow Pencil. This innovative pencil features universal shades designed to match any hair color. It effortlessly adapts to your unique brow tone for a perfect blend. Experience all-day confidence with its long-lasting, budge-proof formula. It ensures your brows stay perfectly defined from morning until night without smudging. Infused with biotin, this pencil not only defines but also nourishes your brow hairs. It helps promote healthier-looking brows with every application. Achieve beautifully natural-looking brows that enhance your features. It allows you to fill in sparse areas for a soft, polished finish. Perfect your look with a convenient built-in spoolie brush. It effortlessly blends and grooms your brows for a flawless, natural appearance. What we like? This pencil stands out with its truly universal shade, adapting to most hair colors. Its long-lasting, budge-proof formula is ideal if you need your brows to stay perfect all day. If you're looking for a product that not only defines but also nourishes your brows with biotin, this is an excellent pick. What people say. No reviews available from the provided source to extract points. No reviews available from the provided source to extract points. Number 3. Winky Luxe Uni-brow Eyebrow Pencil. Discover the secret to perfectly sculpted eyebrows with this innovative pencil. It's designed to effortlessly enhance your natural beauty. This essential tool features a dual-ended design, combining a precise pencil with a convenient spoolie. Effortlessly blend and shape your brows for a polished finish. Enjoy flawless brows that last all day, no matter the weather. Its waterproof formula ensures your look stays put from morning to night. Achieve hair-like strokes with its ultra-fine tip, allowing for precise and natural-looking definition. Fill in sparse areas with incredible accuracy. Finding your perfect match is easy with its universal shade. It adapts to various hair colors, including brown, blonde, and taupe, for a seamless blend. Create brows that look naturally full and defined, never harsh. This pencil helps you achieve that coveted my brows but better appearance. What we like? This one features an ultra-fine tip, allowing for precise, hair-like strokes. Its universal shade ensures a natural, flattering look for various brow colors. If you prioritize meticulous application and a subtle, natural finish, this pencil is designed for you. What people say. Number 2. Winky Luxe Uni-brow Precision Eyebrow Pencil. Discover the secret to perfect brows with this innovative eyebrow pencil. It's designed to give you natural-looking, defined arches effortlessly. This versatile tool features a dual-ended design, combining a precision pencil with a built-in spoolie. Use the spoolie to groom your brows and blend color seamlessly for a polished finish. Enjoy flawless brows that last all day, no matter what. This waterproof and long-wearing formula ensures your brows stay put through rain, sweat, and humidity. Achieve hair-like strokes with its ultra-fine micro tip. This allows for precise application, filling in sparse areas and defining your brow shape with incredible accuracy. Say goodbye to shade matching worries. Its unique universal shade adapts to most brow colors, creating a natural look that complements your features. Whether you have brown, blonde, or taupe hair, it effortlessly enhances your natural beauty. Experience beautifully defined brows that look completely authentic. What we like. This version takes precision to the next level with its micro tip, perfect for creating incredibly detailed brows. Its long wear, waterproof formula means your brows will stay put through anything. If you demand extreme accuracy and all-day resilience from your brow product, this is your go-to. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no product-specific points could be extracted as per the instructions. Number 1. Winky Luxe Rose Glimmer Balm. This innovative lip balm provides deep hydration. It's formulated to adjust to your unique pH, ensuring a personalized touch. It delivers a beautiful, natural pink tint. This tint enhances your lips' natural color, giving them a healthy glow. Watch as it transforms on your lips. Its pH-reactive formula creates a custom shade just for you. Beyond color, it deeply moisturizes and softens your lips. Experience a smooth, supple feel with every application. It leaves behind a sheer, delicate pink tint. This subtle finish is perfect for a natural, everyday look. Enjoy the sweet, comforting aroma of vanilla. Its pleasant scent adds an extra touch of luxury to your routine. What we like. This unique item offers a delightful pH-activated tint, creating a custom pink shade just for you. It's a fantastic choice if you're looking for a hydrating balm that also provides a subtle pop of color. If you like products that adapt to your body chemistry and offer both moisture and a natural glow, this is a charming option. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.